So what can I say? What can I say? 1-0. 1-0. Under pressure the whole game. Best keeper in the world. Best defender, Virgil van Dijk. Best player, attacking player in the world, Mo Salah. I'd rather not say, but I think we are currently the best team. Yes, the best team did win, because in the end, it's not about what you do with the ball and how you do it with the ball, how much you dominate the ball. I can remember in the year that Leicester City won the Premier League. Sometimes they had 30% ball they were defending, and they hit the teams on the break the whole year. And every time teams, pundits, analysis shows that this can't happen. So in soccer, it's about you taking your chances. 27 shots at goal. PSG had 2 shots on goal. Liverpool had 1 goal. That is what I call efficiency at its best. So in the end, it's about taking your chances in life. It's about the whole collective, the team collective, from the top, Arne Slot, to the last person that's sitting on the bench, if I can say, like a Chiesa or a Keller, knowing his role in the team and what is expected from him when the coach or the gaffer is calling on his name, because he knows he needs to go and deliver, because the team needs him. The team needs you. So I feel kind of happy that currently we're taking a 1 goal lead back to Anfield. And as you know, on Anfield we will be rocking. We will be rocking, even though I'm in PAL 7646. You need to subscribe to the channel, people. You need to like my videos and comment. Hit the bell whenever you can, so that whenever there's a video uploading, that you will be notified. It's important for us to go through this. This team needs to build, like Klopp used to say, mentality monsters, and in the end we were mentality monsters last night. Restricting PSG to do shots from outside the box. I think in our midfield, I think there was, I felt that we were lethargic in our approach to the game. We decided early in the game that we will play on a counter-attack football. There were a few times when we actually had brilliant move, but the last pass or the last phase in our attack didn't come off. Or usually when Salah is one-on-one, he will get past, but I can accept that, one game or off game. So yeah, when we get back to Anfield, we will be rocking. We'll be clapping our team. We were clapping our team back into contention to win this the Champions League this year. So yeah, in terms of the goal that Harvey Elliott scores, brilliant determination of Nunes. That is what I like about this player. I know sometimes you will divide opinion, but brilliant of him. The know-how and just the determination to get to the ball and it dropped perfectly. Like, people are saying we are very lucky. If that is what it takes to win the Champions League, by all means we can bring on the luck, So yeah, and for especially sometimes a player, if that was a Mo Salah in that position, in that phase of play, he is in a position where he can score himself, take the glory upon himself, or other striker in the game, or Jota, I think he would have taken a shot. But because of his vision, he saw the run out of his right eye, and he saw the run of Elliott. And the whole game, Liverpool were defending. And that is what's brilliant about, if you defend the whole game, that Mendes was on top of. He was on top of Trent. He was on top of Salah. That one moment, lack of concentration. That one moment when he was supposed to defend, because he was attacking the whole game. That is what sometimes will happen when Trent is on the right. We are taking that one moment in games when he is supposed to defend. Just that split second of concentration, lack of concentration, and then there goes the player. So by all means, if we're gonna attack, and that is what Slot is actually installing in this team, is that they can switch a button just like that. If they defend, they will be defending 11 behind the ball. If they attack, they will attack. By all means, they will flood the opposition's offensive side of the goal side. So for me, what did I learn about this game? I learned that Liverpool, if they play badly, I wouldn't say they play badly, because there was a defensive masterclass that we put on in that second half. We restricted PSG from shots from outside the box. The corners was non-existent. Whenever they took a corner, they went short. Whenever they tried to break on us, our one-on-one defending was brilliant, because Pepe was, whenever he went, when Dembele, whenever he went to Robertson, or he went to Trent, but whenever they came into the inside, no way they would pass Konate, and they would pass Virgil. What do I think about the red card decision, or the non-red card decision? For me, no. Especially in a game of this magnitude, and the threshold that they all referees, I think, should it's in soccer is a contact sport, so there will be contact in soccer. So I can remember the game against Everton, the same happened, and nobody made a hoo-ha about that. I can't remember now that one of our players was bumped from behind. I think it was Szoboszlai. Yeah, I think so. The game against Everton, there was not even a look at that, because it was the ref decided that it's part of the game, that was a level of fouling that he will allow. So yeah, I'm just glad that we made it pass. We scored the one goal. That is the important. It means that whenever Paris Saint-Germain will come to Anfield, they will have to come and play, and so we can hit them on the break, and sure as tomorrow is Friday, we will hit them this time. So yeah, guys, like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and remember, you never walk alone.